Clues all laid out for the dance together with DNice tonight. Oh yeah, I'm ready. Find me some nice earrings. Nobody playing around. Oh, see some gold in there. I think that's gonna look good. Perfect match. Let's go. I ain't got a lot of time. All right. First step, apply a little foundation. No makeup artist here. Rub it in. Keep it nice and simple. Alright, rub that foundation in. Nice and quick. I don't like to go too far off the course. Keep it simple. Okay. Little eyeliner. And my daughter said, make these a little thicker. Actually, I like them a little thinner. She said when I do them thinner, I look old. I hate to break it to her. I am old. Okay? Oh, Lord. I know you don't want to visualize your parents getting old. I'll do them a little bit thicker. I still like the thin look a little better on me. Alrighty. That's gonna have to do it for now, because I don't have much time. And I am not gonna be late. Since I'm going in the club, maybe I'll make this a little smoky. They call this the smoke effect. See, I need quick stuff because I ain't trying to miss none of this. No, no, no. I will not be late. Got my little purple lipstick. Because if y'all know me, purple is my color. Top it with a little gold. Take this John. Take this lipstick and use it up here. Yeah, I'm sorry. I just keep it real simple. That's the way I roll. Rub it in. Tone down them sparkles. Where's that powder? Because I cannot have sparkles all up on this face. Not gonna work. That's the whole thing. You gotta know what's gonna work for you. So sparkles have flowed over here. That's about it for me. A little blush. Okay. A little blush on the side here. And I like to keep it a little natural because you either gonna like me the way I am or not. Simple as that. I ain't trying to scare nobody. Once my makeup come off, looking all different, like a different person. So, this is me. Like it or not. Okay? Put a little shine in his hair. I'm gonna be ready. One of them fine brothers roll up in there. Oh, yes. I'm gonna switch right by him. Earrings on. Now, I done dressed up, laid all my clothes out, and I call my daughter, and I show her what I have on to go out to the club, and she's like, no, Mom, don't wear that, no, nada, you know. I'm like, whoa, wait a minute, you know. I've been dressing since before you was born, and I dressed you when you was growing up, and now all of a sudden, you want to turn around and dress me? Look, I've been going to clubs for the longest. I know how to go up in a club. All right? So ain't nobody going to be telling me what to do or what to wear in a club. Oh, now all of a sudden, she want to turn it around and dress me. And nobody going to be dressing me because I ain't having it. No way. I ain't listening to the damn children. Well, y'all, I'm looking a little different. You damn kids. All right. Change my outfit. And I just got on some tights. Because the party's about to start. See y'all there.
Where you going?
Mom.
Where you going?
I'll be right back. I don't have time to explain, but I gotta get down to this club.
Get down to what club, Bessie? You can't go nowhere. Where do you think you going? We under quarantine, girl. Don't you know that? We can't go out. Sit down.
Go ahead.
Let me go see where this girl is trying to get to. She knows she can't go out. We're in the quarantine. What's wrong with you? You crazy? Come on back here. You can't go out the door. Bessie, you're losing your mind, girl. One thing, let me see what this girl is doing. You ain't gonna kill me now. You know you can't go nowhere.
Oh,
my sister, Kiki Palmer, what's up?
Hey,
Kiki?
hey.
Is that your sister?
The party is on. No, that's not. Oh, Mom. Mom, you tuning in? You liking the show?
Oh, yeah. DNice is my man. Shout out to all the singers. We know how to party, too. Hey.
Hey. At the party. Let's rock it. Hey. Go, Mom. Dance together with DNice. Let it breathe.
Welcome back to Club and Presents Dance Together. What up, Keith?
Club and
The dance floor. We're doing it big for y'all, so make sure you're texting dance to 91999.
oh, get on down, Bessie.
Next
Go, Bessie.
after this.
Rock it.
East, west, every state, come on, bury the hate. Me, the only thing we in the heavy debate. Up in the X-ray, bring the left shoulder, let's begin. Bring the GS to an end. Come on.
Go ahead, Bessie.
But I'm sure DNice.
Carry on with DNice.
Just want to say,
DNice was
congratulations
DNice.
coming in to save the music because during these trying times, art and music is keeping us going.
82. Hey. Partying with DNice. Dance together. Club quarantine.
Let's go.
What you been doing? Where you at? Tiffany, are you in LA or?
You like that dance together, Mom?
Yeah. Yeah. I think I'm still here.
Feeling pretty good, huh?
Yeah, shout out to the seniors. I'm doing it for the seniors. I enjoyed myself tonight.
Oh, man.
With DNice.
Peeps was
Is it
out.
Is it DNice or DTwice? Who is
Peeps was out. That's all I can say.
the
Man.
party? The party's over.
Ooh. Thank God. It didn't go no further than where it did. Because I don't think I could have took it. Cheers. This is all I've been waiting for.
Good night, Chris. I had a nice time with you tonight.
Adios.
Adios. Hasta la vista.
Oh.